Lying along the Bay of Bengal, Indian state Tamil Nadu has numerous attractive places to offer to the tourist. Here you can enjoy the beauty of pristine sea beaches, some gorgeous World Heritage monuments that will send you back to the glorious past, some majestic hill stations, and above all, some of the most beautiful temples of the country. Today we are going to share a tour plan that will cover the 3 beautiful places of the state, where you can find all these charms. Here is a 6-day tour guide to Chennai, Mahabalipuram or Mamallapuram and Pondicherry. Best time to visit. Best time to visit these places is during winter, that is from November to early March. In this time, the temperature is low and you can enjoy your tour. During summer, the temperature will be very high and it is impossible to enjoy the hot sea beaches then. During monsoon, rain may interrupt your tour plan. How to reach? Here we will start our tour from Chennai. Being the state capital, Chennai is well connected to the rest of the world. You can reach Chennai by train, bus or air from any part of the country. Day 1. On day 1 of your tour, go for a day-long city sightseeing tour in Chennai. A full day Chennai city sightseeing tour is around 9 to 10 hours of duration. A local cab fare for the tour will be around Rs 3,500 to 4,000. Online booking facility is available for local sightseeing tour. I will share the link in the description box below. First visit Fort St. George. It is a well-maintained site which is currently taken care by Archaeological Survey of India. The fort is divided in 2 parts, St. Mary's Church and Fort Museum. Next, visit Kapaleshwar Temple. This auspicious temple is dedicated to Lord Kapaleshwar, a manifestation of Lord Shiva, and his consort Goddess Parvati as Karpagambal. From here, visit St. Thomas Church. It is one of the 3 churches in the world built over the tomb of an apostle of Jesus. After here, visit Parthasarathi Temple. This beautiful temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna in his manifestation of Lord Parthasarathi. Next, go to Valluvar Kottam. This is a significant monument built in the honor of the famous saint and poet Thiruvalluvar. From here, go to Vadapalani Murugan Temple. It is one of the most frequently visited places of worship for Hindus in Chennai. The temple is known for helping devotees finding solution to life's problem. In the evening, take a stroll in the famous Marina Beach. It is a natural urban beach along the Bay of Bengal. The 13-kilometer long beach is the longest natural urban beach of the country and the second largest of its kind in the world. It is also the most crowded beach in India with almost 30,000 visitors a day. Day 2. On day 2 morning, go to Mamallapuram from Chennai. The distance of Mamallapuram from Chennai is around 60 km and it will take around 2 hours to reach Mamallapuram from Chennai. Upon reaching Mamallapuram, go for a local sightseeing tour. First, visit Mahabalipuram beach. The Mahabalipuram beach is situated at a distance of 58 km from Chennai city in Tamil Nadu. The beach lies on the shore of Bay of Bengal. Here you can see some beautiful rock-cut sculptures. Next, visit the famous Shore Temple. Shore Temple is one of the oldest temples of South India constructed in the Dravidian style architecture. It is now an UNESCO World Heritage Site. From here, visit Arjuna's Penis. The Arjuna's Penis is an enormous rock-cut relief, one of the largest in the whole world. Next, visit Descent of the Ganges. It is a monument dedicated to the goddess Ganga. From here, go to Mahishasuramardini Cave Temple. It is a rock-cut monument constructed during 7th century. There are 2 prominent carvings in the temple. One carving is of Lord Vishnu on the 7-hooded serpent and another of Devi Durga on her lion while killing demon Mahishasura. Next, visit 5 Rathas. The 5 Rathas, also known as Pancharathas, is an exemplary set of rock temples. They are excellent examples of evolution of Dravidian style architecture. Day 3. On day 3, go to Pondicherry from Mamallapuram by car via East Coast Road. The distance is 95.5 km and it will take around 2 hours to reach Pondicherry from Mamallapuram by car. Pondicherry, or officially Puducherry, is one of the 7 Union territories of India. This is a beautiful seaside town where you can find a perfect blend of Indian and French traditions. Day 4. On day 4, after breakfast, go for a sightseeing tour. Reserved cab fare will be around Rs 2,500. First, go to Auroville. Auroville is a universal town founded by Sri Aurobindo in the year 1926. In this place, you can experience tranquility, and it is a perfect escape for you if you love peace and serenity. Next, go to visit Seaside Promenade. This is a clean and well-maintained road famous for gorgeous view of sunrise. After that, go to visit Pondicherry Beach. Pondicherry Beach is a famous beach in the city. It is 1.2 kilometers long along the Bay of Bengal. In the afternoon, visit Serenity Beach. This is the most beautiful beach in Pondicherry. This pristine sea beach attracts numerous tourists every day. Day 5. On day 5 morning, first go to visit Paradise Beach. Situated in Chunnambar, it is a beautiful golden sand beach. Enjoy cold sea breeze here. A 20 to 30 minutes ferry ride across the backwaters is required to reach here. After that, visit Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an ancient Roman trade center and is a hidden gem for the tourist. A very little fact is known about any Indo-Roman business ties before Christ's era. However, with the discovery of Arikamedu, widespread proofs were found regarding these Indo-Roman tie-ups. Day 6. On day 6, head back to Chennai for departure. Where to stay? In all the above places, you can find numerous hotels of different budget range. Typical mid-range hotels will charge around Rs 2,000 per day. All these properties have online booking facilities, and I will share the online booking links in the description box below. If you love this tour plan, then don't forget to like and share the video. Also, do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your opinion means a lot to us. Thanks for watching it.